your children black is beautiful. To be alive is a whole lot of privilege. Education is the key to rule the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. Tell your children black is beautiful. How we now go beg for no privilege. Knowledge is the ruler of the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. And when you're black, is a big threat. Never seen nothing like this yet. Such a pretty brown skin. When you see my melanin, you better show some respect. They can't condemn me, no. So they wanna come judge me, no. It's a mental slavery, minimal bravery. Me no see the fix yet. So no, 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 I won't lower my standards. So watch me fight for what's mine. Who I am proud of. Ooh, ooh, you won't be taking what's mine. I don't play by my culture. Yeah. Tell you